Pero 1 minute. Chow mein and what's the other one is like
Mongolian beef.
Mongolian beef and string beans with the fried rice, and this is what we call sinigang. Okay guys.
Kinukunan mo ako, kinukunan ko kayo.
Ipit tayo na.
Akin na.
And we are here in a 3-star restaurant. Baka naman. Baka wala pang libre soda dyan. At you guys gonna be
Dalawang klaseng sinigang.
sinigang, what we call that? Sinigang,
Ayan, garlic string beans.
okay,
And fried
garlic,
rice.
fried rice.
Yan, yan.
And,
Dalawang two kinds of sinigang.
tapos si Sui Vlog.
Shrimp and...
Sui, say something, sir.
okay, bon appetit, okay?
Kain tayo.
Okay, bon appetit.
Tingnan tayo.
Naghahanap buhay ako eh.
Kain tayo.
Wala tayong magagawa, ganyan talaga.